haircut.
Woohoo! Nice! You look great in that. Today we're gonna make a
Canada flag.
because it's Canada Day! Yeah!
How many times did I say yay?
I don't know. Too many times. Alright, here's what you need.
So, yes,
Yep. Ruler. Yes.
sauce,
Yep.
cheese,
Yes.
markers, red,
Yeah.
black,
Yeah.
and blue.
There's more things that we need, remember? We forgot this other guy.
Pencil,
And we'll put those guys.
red page,
Yeah.
and white page.
Yay!
Yay!
Let's get started! Yeah! Let's get started! First, you need some red construction paper, which is twice as long as its breadth. And if you see here, this is 30 centimeters long, and the width is 15 centimeters. Now, get a white piece of paper and cut it into a square. Once you've cut the page into a square, fold it in half. Now that you've folded your page, trace your hand like this. Continue tracing your hand like this. We have now prepared the outline of the maple leaf on the Canadian flag. Put 10 dots on the page like Virat is doing. Now connect the dots using a ruler like we've done here.
Now cut like that.
While Virat is cutting, here's a joke. How many seconds are in a year? Think. Alright, here's the answer. There are 12 seconds. January 2nd, February 2nd, March 2nd, April 2nd, and so on. Which means there are 12 seconds. This is how it look like. Wow.
Canada flag.
We have got 6 maple leaves so we can stick them onto each side of our red construction paper. Now, glue the leaf onto our red construction paper in the middle on both sides. Hey Vivon, can you count how many points there are on our maple leaf?
1,
Yeah.
2,
Yes.
3,
Yeah.
4,
Yep.
5,
Hmm?
6,
Yes.
7,
Yep.
8,
Yep.
9,
Yes.
10,
Yes.
11.
Good job! Now, how do you say 11 in French?
11.
Okay. Vivon, can you say that?
11.
Yeah. 11. You guys say it too. 11. 11. So now with the red marker, trace the stem on the bottom. Good job! On the next side. Good job! So now for the final step, tape the straw onto the edge of our flag. Oh,